Now, how do you disable cookies on your iPad? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So on your iPad, locate the settings app, of course, and on the left panel, go to the bottom entirely where you can find the apps section. So there, all of the individual apps installed on your device have their own dedicated settings page. So we want to check out the browser, of course. So look up the S for Safari and you'll be able to change the settings here. From the Safari settings, go to the bottom entirely where the advanced section can be found. Click on advanced, and a part of that section is the ability to have the toggle turn on for blocking all cookies, right? So you can turn it on. It might warn you that some websites may not work the way that you expect them or that you are used to, because obviously it has some effect, but you can proceed with that by blocking them anyway, right? So it will remove existing cookies and website data. So Safari will quit, your tabs will be reloaded, and the browser will behave a little different, but I guess that's like the whole point. So let me know if you managed to do it on your iPad. In case of any additional questions, let me know about those below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.